Hello everyone. In this video, I'll tell you how to check the answer sheet submitted by the students. So as an answer sheet, you will not get any scope to tick mark, to circle a question, nothing. You need to read the answer and write the remarks and give the marks to the students. This is the only option available. For tick mark or for circle or for correction, this type of facilities are not available. So read the question, read the answer carefully and give marks, and if required you can give remarks also. So see how to do that carefully.
Now, once the exam is appeared and students have attempted that exam, you log in and click on School Online. From here, Question Bank, here is the option to see the answers given by the student. Descriptive Test Preview. Click on this. You have to select the class, say 10th, section, J section student have written the exam, and subject maths, set 1. See, one student have written this exam. If more than one student, all the students of the class have given this exam, then in this list all the students name with set name with admission number will come. So click one by one on all the answer sheets, check it and submit it. So here is the first student who have written this exam. You give the marks. So what happened to the rain suddenly? Rain stopped. If you feel that it is right exam, it is right answer, then click the marks and you can give the remarks also. Good. Here nothing happened. If you feel that no, this answer is not correct, then you will write not the right answer. In this way you can, these remarks are optional. If you want to give remarks you can give, and no need to check this MCQ questions. See, these questions are already checked. MCQ questions are already checked. This is again MCQ question. This is again MCQ question. This is descriptive question. If the student has given the descriptive answer, see the image, you can click on show button to see the answer. See the answer. Once you have seen the answer, you need to give marks to this also. It is of 8 marks question. So suppose I want to give 6 marks to this answer, and I'll say 2 points are missing. If student has not given the right answer, some points are missing, then you can give the remarks, and 6 marks out of 8 I have given. In this way we can give answer to this question also. See, answer is given by the student. Click on show. This is the answer. Read the answer, and if you feel that this answer is correct or partially correct, you can give the marks as per your requirement. Suppose I'm giving 4 marks. If you don't want to write the remarks, it is up to you. Once this is also, you see the answer and give the marks, show the picture. So what I feel, all the answers are correct, so I'm giving full marks to on this question. This question is of 6 marks, so I'm giving 6 marks here. 6. And I don't want to write any remarks here. Click on submit button after checking all the answers. So all the answers you have checked. Once it is checked, marks are given, remarks are given, you click on the submit button. A message will come, saved successfully. Now this answer marks will automatically appear to the student when your date and time will come. At the time of setting the paper, you have set the date of display answer sheet on that particular date. So marks are also calculated automatically and your answer sheet is also done. Now for roll number 2, for roll number 3, for roll number 4, one by one you check all the answer sheets and submit. Thank you.
Now once you have checked your answer sheet and clicked on the submit button, on a specific date given by the school, it will appear to the student. So all the checked answer sheets with marks and remarks, it will appear to the students and they will see. Thank you.